What you're looking at here is a 60-inch Fanimation Prop ceiling fan. And yes, this is one of the studio collections that was sold at Lowe's. And yeah, let's go ahead and start this fan off on speed number 1. And this remote is 16 speeds, so it's definitely pretty cool. It's not like the 6-speed DC, as you can see. It does look pretty cool. Speed 2. And the demo might be kind of long because of the fact that this fan has a lot of speeds. It's not like your typical 3-speed fan or 6-speed fan that has DC motor. So this is 16, so it's a lot. Speed 3. Speed 4. Five. Six. Do like the range of speeds on this fan because it's very spaced out. 7. 8. We're about like halfway there, so definitely pretty cool fan nevertheless. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. And 16, high speed. This fan has a 15-degree blade pitch, so it's not going to go that very fast despite the fact it has a DC motor. And those blades are thick too, so even though with that steep blade pitch, it still throws out a really good breeze. It doesn't have to go that fast to move a lot of air. For a Lowe's fan, airflow is not bad at all. I mean, I do get a good breeze out of it, so which I'll show you the airflow close up. Alright, now I'm going to reverse the fan. As you can tell, all DC motor fans tend to have a stutter when they start up. So, yeah, expect that. And those blades are really thick too, so it puts a lot of drag on that motor. So, despite all that, it moves a lot of air. You can tell it's running just fine. But then I'm going to reverse it back to downdraft. And we'll cut the power once the fan starts reversing back. So in DC motors, they tend to stutter when they go the other way, which I'll show you. I always have a stutter. And I'm going to shut her off now. And that's it with the 60-inch Fanimation Prop at my mom's friend's house. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.